RTV'd on, yeah, no worries. Next minute, that's not actually the one that came off. It's just been there the whole time from last owner.
Find it.
Sup, dude?
How you going, man?
Sup, dude? Fucking gangs, mate. Fucking Spider-Man, mate.
Yeah, it's me, man. Went to school with him.
Guys.
Yeah, I got Zoom function too, bro. Welcome back to another episode of Project Driveway. It's a pretty seedy Saturday. Weather's terrible, but we're finally back on the Miata. So last time it would probably been like a month and a half ago that we touched it. We fixed up the rock cover gasket with it all looking brand spanking new. Got it running, and then the rear main seal was leaking. Do you remember that? Yeah, that was a while ago. It was like 3 or 4 years ago. So we've got some drugs for the engine and some cheap ass oil, like straight out of the tip. Because the plan is we're gonna fix the rear main seal leak with, I don't even know what this stuff is, man. What do you reckon it smells like? Yeah, that doesn't smell very pleasing. Yeah, I bought the cheap oil because if it decides to still leak, I'm not going to waste $60 worth of Penrite oil. I'm going to waste $20 worth of cooking vegetable oil. But yeah, seems pretty easy. I had a look under the car the other week, and the sump plug is gasket mated on. So I don't know how well it's going to go. We just might have to drill a new hole and put a new bolt in there just for now. Who knows? But yeah, Darcy's going to come help me out. And Jimmy. Do you like Jimmy or James?
I'll do my best.
Jimmy. Jimmy's got an RX-7. Same engine, true?
Similar.
This is you shave like the corners off.
Yeah. It's like a piston, but it's like a Dorito.
It's full custom piston.
Yeah, it's a custom piston. It's like and the balls are like that.
Yeah, sick. Darcy's got a JZ, don't you, mate? Brand newy, spanking new.
Fresh import.
Yeah, bro.
Still thinks it's to the Gold Course.
Yeah, sick. Alright, we're gonna get the jack under here. Even though hold up.
Remove the remains of this bit.
Dude, I don't even care. I don't want it. Do you want them? Do you want that? I don't want
Make
it.
a nice necklace or something.
I don't want it, bro.
Just polish it up, man. Fucking.
Yeah, I'm gonna be laying under there. There's a big ball bearing in the back of my head. Oh, fuck yeah, I did. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, see?
RTV'd on, yeah, no worries.
That's sick.
Yeah, there's no washer, bro, legit. Yeah, no washer at all.
Save weight and stuff, man.
Yeah, weight reduction, bro.
Yeah, it's sick.
Look at all this in here.
That's fucked.
I bought some crush washers. Apparently they're nylon. I've never used these ones, but it don't even fit anyway. Doesn't matter, we'll just put it on. Found the oil filter. Yeah, I can't even fucking... I've lost it again. There it is. Underneath the fucking intake manifold. Hold up, your hand's in the way, bro. Right there. What fucking idea was that? Bruh. Is that? Yeah, I'm looking at the right one.
Oh yeah, we didn't think about that.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuck. Yep. Mum.
Wait, you have to drop it out through the bottom, maybe.
Yeah, that's good. Watch it get stuck.
Nah, it made it. I checked it when I picked it up too. Pulled the stick out. It looks like oil when you it's fresh in a bottle and you pour it into a cup. It's like that.
Yeah.
It's perfect size, just a peg.
Just throw it at
Lob
someone's face.
Lob it at strangers.
Oh, I just used Miata oil filters.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a flex. Yo, I reckon if I was a mechanic and someone's like, can you service my 94 Miata? I'll just no. No, bro.
Straight up.
No, man.
New filter in, you can't even see it. Oil's out. New oil filter's in. That was a bit of a pain, but we got it in. I need 3.2 litres of oil of this good shit. How much is in here? 5. Yeah, we're good. We'll just put the whole thing in and that. What do you reckon?
100%, man.
Let's put the old shit back in.
Cool it. Just go karting, bro.
This stuff, it said put the whole bottle for 5 litres of oil, but I don't have 5 litres of oil in it, so I'll just put the whole lot in anyway. It said give it a good shake. Yeah, should be right.
Snip it first, but
Yeah.
Oof.
Pour a shot, that's what the top lid's for. One for the dead homies.
Glug, 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 glug. It's pretty thick. It's actually like 50W oil.
What, like, I have it every day.
Real?
Yeah.
Shit, bro.
Everything's all back together. It's what's shit about what's shit about that stuff. It said it takes like 150 k's for it to actually work because you've got to get it all around the engine and whatnot. I'll leave it on idle for like as long as I can. I might give it a few pumps of the accelerator, you know what I mean? But it can't really drive it fuck, it's got no reg. But hopefully it blocks it up. It should, because the leak only popped up when I ran the engine flush through it, which obviously broke down all the shit holding it in. So I really hope this works, otherwise we've got more problems to deal with. Started.
Sounds healthy, though.
1.8 litre things. Oh, yo, why the fuck we smoking up in here, bruh? Ah!
Fuck around, get smoked.
Big smoke. It's exhaust. Hopefully it's not pluming out smoke. Oh, yeah, it's oil. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. That's stinky.
I might have to go out tonight. Musty book.
Not water, but like condensation. You can smell it. It smells like water, bro.
Engine's pretty good.
Yeah. Engine running so far. Cleaned some shit up. It's been running for like 5-10 minutes. So far, so good. Engine sounds alright, even with some thick ass oil. Doing alright. No really weird noises, but it is up on an angle, so it might have a little bit of an effect once I put it down. No leaks so far. Let's keep it that way. Dang.
Hey man,
So-
are you the dude from the drive-by with the projects?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, sick, yeah, sweet. Can I get a photo with you, man?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Sweet, alright, yeah, sweet.
Right, we should get backlight. Oh,
Jesus Christ, bro.
do you want a photo, bro?
Yeah. Can you sign my
Can I get an autograph?
Yeah.
Can you sign my
Yeah, hold out the second photo. Smokey, mate. Smokey. What's his name? Smokey.
smoking a go?
Yeah.
Nigga.
Smokey,
Bro,
mate.
there's the B12 Super over there.
Oh, shit.
It's one gun, bro. Full Devil Z.
Oh, fuck. There it is.
What is it?
The Hyundai.
Devil Z?
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
Not bad. It warms you up a bit.
Oh, yeah. Yo, we lost the radiator cap too.
Drop all on it.
Like, serious lost it.
Drop all on it.
Hey, what's this number, kids?
1300.
I'm dead.
Found it. Right there, bruh. Next minute, that's not actually the one that came off. It's just been there the whole time from last owner.
Find it.
We found the radiator cap. It was just chilling. Yeah, what am I up to? Well, it's still leaking. So, as I said before, the fucking lid, the cap, the fucking bottle said, buddy, it'll take a while for it to plug up anyway. So I think I just got to leave it on idle and just till it stops leaking. It's going to stop leaking because the rear main seal's blocked up, or I run out of oil. Either or. But, yeah, it's probably it for this episode of Pro Drive-By. Wasn't really much going on, huh? But we're just chilling in Trek Swamp. True, bro.
True, bro. Cup my onions.
Yeah, you're gonna make me mud, bro.
Put your finger in my swamp. I'm gonna shoot my load of mud, cuz.